Good morning, my beautiful people. Good morning. It's nice and early today, but we got appointments to attend to. So y'all are coming with me. Coming on a ride to see you. Alright, that's enough. Catches. We're gonna have a good day. What's up, guys? We are ready and dressed, ready to head out. So let's go. Let's get on up. A far way to walk. So let's go. Beautiful day. It's a beautiful day in my neighborhood. Nine. Beautiful city, people. We are cruising to the hospital from my brother's appointment. Let's have a good day. Turn it left. Here we go. It's nice and sunny outside, people. Get outside and get some sunlight. Get yourself some vitamin C, D, ABCs, and you're gonna be just fine. You're looking good. Oh yeah. Time to make our way to the hospital, guys. We're going on the wheelchair. So let's get out of this car. We're still at Peter Mac, people. Who is this walking in front of I?
My bike.
That way, son.
And here we are, brother.
See, brother.
Here, capture everything, please. We have pizza, people. There's my mother. Nope.
Paintings.
Ah. Because I'm too busy, I want to eat. Should we
That's why I
just walk
said
back?
we'll go ground floor. But people want to go Peter Mac.
Yeah, that's cool.
No brains, people.
We should try to get it tomorrow, dude.
Yeah.
Pizza people.
Goodness. When I hide, if you know what I like. Oh. Ooh, good day.
Hi, son.
Staring at you, brother. That's what we're doing.
We miss you.
Yeah.
What is it, bruh? We are back home. Back home in our lovely home. It's time to get out of these clothes. Let's go. My heavy breathing. Sorry about that. Beautiful room. Yep. Time to do my eye drops, people. Let's do these eye drops, yeah? Let's do this. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to my vlog. Beautiful Wednesday. Today, we woke up, got the phone call from one of the doctors. Then we had to leave the house for my brother's doctor's appointment. And then, not just only that, we went to my doctor's appointment around 12:30. And then, right after that, we went for a feed. Yes, you saw that. We went for a beautiful lunch, had some pizza. Mwah, beautiful pizza. $10, so cheap. And then after that, came home, showered. Then after that, we went to sleep. Oh, the sleep was beauty. And we just woke up, had an apple, and drinking this. Because we didn't get enough protein. So we have that for our nutrition. Get the nutrients in our body. So we could have some food in us. And now we're here. So, what's up, people? It's your boy Teasy. This beautiful house, beautiful home. Kiss me Shamu in the back, flexing, and I, Teasy, talking to y'all with my hair all messed up, but that's okay, but that's all right. But anyways, I hope you are having a good day, because I am. Because I am.
Let's ask around and see if we can find out. Now, we just need a major transport hub where lots of travelers trade info. Preferably one that's high up with a great line of sight. Oh, got it! Luxury!
What's up, guys? Look, we with the Bennett. That was a close one. Look what we have here.
Mandalorian called me.
Here's our food, people. Some goodness right here.
I've been watching.
If you can guess the game, people, that'd be amazing. Yeah. Brothers playing some good game right here. And I'm sure you guys can see it. Let me zoom in to the TV with the, There we go. Now can you see the TV? Hey, there you go. Guess the game now, people. Comment down below. We are watching some Usgang right here. This man right here is losing hella weight, man. He's on week 43 now. Let's go. Yep, your mandem here is catching up on Demon Slayer. I'ma tell you, man, Demon Slayer is going so damn good at the moment. We're on season 3, and that's all I'm gonna say. At this moment, my mom's sleeping, and we on the continuation with Demon Slayer, man. That's what I keep pointing to, and it's going hella good. If you're into anime, what are you watching at this very moment? Comment down below. Good morning, people.
Good morning.
We are in the car,
Whoa, that's hot.
getting ready to head out to the hospital. And we got up a bit late. So let's go to the hospital. We are here, people. We're in the parking lot on the ground at Peter Mac. Time to get our treatment done. Time to get the Zivering done so we can go and eat some goodness food. Some godlike food. Some godly food. I appreciate it. We are keeping cool in the car. We got the AC on. Not anymore. Rather turn the car off. Then we're gonna get hot in here. We're gonna get boiled in here. That's just life. That is just life. Yeah. Making our way to our appointment. You need my treatment done.
No. Why you do that to your mama? Hey,
Your phone dying.
you're yours.
Oh, you didn't get your wire.
Yours.
Oh no. I got this.
No, I don't have the little one.
This is where we were.
What are you doing?
And we,
It's ground floor.
Level 2.
did you press ground?
Oh my night.
Okay.
Ground floor.
This is a patient's car. There's a taxi here. They should have a ticket.
I thought you said that's a patient's park.
Yeah, but all patients come. But that
Oh.
one just sits there.
We are back in the mobile. Got my bag, thank you, Mom. Back in the car now from my treatment. We are off to we are off to where, brother?
Get some pizza.
We're gonna get some pizza.
Yay.
Have some beautiful lunch and whatever. But we're gonna get a good feed, make our tummies full, and just enjoy the meal. Make sure you enjoy your meal. Enjoy that meal you're having right now, or even before, or even later. Enjoy it. We have Pizza Hut again. Damn good too. So it's cheaper than our singles.
Yeah.
But we did enjoy our singles more.
Yes,
Yeah.
I did. Like pepperoni.
I enjoyed my one.
Did you ask for more prawns on it though? You know it's gonna be like one prawn, maybe
That's
three.
extras.
I'm sure you can handle pepperoni spice, right? It's not spicy like kimchi.
Have you got a milk?
No. I don't have
You
milk.
funny person.
The chocolate lava cake though, that was nice. That was very nice. We back at it again. We back at it again. Like this, because I'm a pro. Back in my beautiful room. We are back home. Yeah. We are back home, people. Back in the room. Back in the godly room. Got changed, you know. We're changing our PJs, man. We out here. And also, we had a good feed. We had a good dinner. We just took our meds. Now we're gonna relax. Do some eye drops. And then get to gaming. So let's do these eye drops. Fun days, fun times. Fun times, fun days. Either way, we having a good day. It's game time, baby. It's time to play some Genshin Impact. And yes, this game is all about spending that moolah. But sometimes you just don't want to. Most of the time you want to. So yeah, let's get back to the game. Time to edit my videos, people. So let's go and do that. And also watching some Sam Select. So yeah, that's what it is, man. That's what we're doing right now. Got some Sam Select training right here, man. We're gonna start training tomorrow. For real, for real. Hello everyone. It's time for your boy TZ to hang up the vlog for the night. So, good night. And I hope you had a good day today. And I hope you have a good day tomorrow. So I'll catch you on the next vlog. Like, subscribe, comment down below to your boy TZ Fitness. And I'll catch you then. See ya.